In this video, I'll show you what you're getting into if you decide to change your own garage door springs. Stay tuned. So the first step is to unwind the good spring if you have two, using a set of spring winding rods. These are the ones I picked up from Amazon for $15. And these are the springs that I used. I got them from Lowe's, and they were the closest one I could find matching the ones that were up here. To start, you're going to want to hold on tight to the bar and slowly loosen up the set screws until it starts to come loose, and then start loosening up the spring. Take your time and be careful, because if this comes loose, it's going to be a bad day. Please take a second and smash that like button. It'll help support the channel. Next, we need to disconnect the springs from the brackets. Now we're going to disconnect the pulleys from both ends. Now we're going to slide off the pulleys and the springs from both sides and replace them with the new springs. Now it's time to reconnect the springs to the brackets. Now it's time to reconnect the pulleys. And use a set of vice grips to hold tension on this pulley while you do the other pulley. And the final step, winding the springs. I wound these 29 times. Recommended was 29 to 31, and once you get to 29, it's pretty scary. And I was like, I'm done. And it worked fine. If there would have been any issue, I would have wound them a couple more turns. I would recommend doing research before taking this project on, maybe watching 2 or 3 videos on it, and making sure that you have the correct springs. There's plenty of guides online for the size door you have. And if you're confident in your ability to do it, go for it. If you have any questions about doing this installation, put a comment down below and I'll answer it. Also, if you like the video, you hate the video, comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. So that was the last step, is getting this wound, tighten up the springs, very gently release the spring. Everything's good, so it's time to give it a shot and see if it worked. And there went my crescent wrench. I forgot to remove the top of the door, but hey, opens up good. Everything's good to go. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.